Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamran and you're watching my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to use Python libraries in Tableau. We'll do a quick linear regression. I already provided a video earlier about integration of Python with Tableau. Please watch that video if you want to continue with today's tutorial. Please watch the complete video today, and if you have any question regarding today's topic, please write me in the comment section below. I will love to answer your queries. Then next you will see my computer screen. Thank you. Hi guys, so this is my computer screen. Let's begin. This is the Tableau desktop, latest version I am using it, and for this tutorial I am using sample Superstore. Before we continue, let's check whether Python server is connected or not. Go to the help menu and then go settings and performance, and after that manage analytics extension connection and just click onto the test connection. I think my server is not connected. How to make sure that it is connected? Go to make sure you already installed the TabPy. If you did not have the TabPy installed, check my video Python integration with Tableau. I will put the description. I will put the link into the description, and if you have any comment about that, let me know about it. Make sure you watch the complete video to achieve this information. My path is this one, and make sure whatever your path you will just follow, where whatever your Python directory, go to Python, then Python this version 36 version, lib side packages TabPy server. It will only appear once the TabPy installed in your machine or your server, and then just click onto the startup. Once you click onto this, your server TabPy server will start. Listen onto this port. Currently I am using the local host, and this is the port, and then I say test connection. It says successfully connected. So my Python server is like directly connected with the Tableau desktop. So let's begin. To begin with this this tutorial will use sales and profit, and we'll see what will be the regression, and we'll see regression based on time series. So we will use order date into the detail. Instead of year, we'll use date as a full date, which is month, day and year. So this is the data point, but you want to see the linear regression model, we need to calculate a calculated field here. We'll say create calculated field. We'll call it reg, and I already have a formula ready. I'll just copy from the notepad. Here if you see, let me make it bigger. Yeah, we are calling any function, any external connection you are using, and you want to use the library for that, you need to use these script functions in Tableau. And here what we are doing, from sklearn library from the Python, we will calling the linear regression, sklearn linear model. And from NumPy is another library, we are using it to calculate the array, and will using the sales and profit. So this is very simple formula for calling the linear regression from Python. That's it, and then we'll say apply. After this we will drag this newly calculated field into the row shelf. Now it's sending the data, which is our sales and profit, to Python to get back the calculated value, predicted value of a linear regression. So now this value is already calculated, and here what we'll do, instead of the automatic, we'll convert the line chart, convert into the line chart. And then we'll go to the regression pill, right click on it, or click this drop down and go to the compute using order date, and you see this is a straight line. And after that we'll go again to this drop down, and we'll say dual axis, and you see it's showing the comparison, but the axes are not synchronized, that's why it's showing above. And just click onto the linear regression axis and say synchronize axis. So our regression is almost ready. Just make sure that your measure name is up, otherwise the line is not appear. So you will just drag this down and our line is ready. You can change the color, it's up to you what color you like for linear regression. I like the red color, and say apply, say okay. Now our linear regression is exactly showing the correct values. You want to make sure whether this regression is correct or not. There is an another way. Tableau already provide linear exponential model already is there as a trend line. So what we need to do, just right click here and go to the trend line, show trend line with the profit. As soon as you hit this one, the trend line which is exactly matching to our regression model line, if you see, we have this similar result. So I hope we are done with this tutorial. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comment regarding to the same topic, please write me back. I will love to answer your queries. Thank you so much.